It's not every day you're going to find a single family home, fully updated, move-in ready, a 1-minute walk to the Greenway Trail and Chavis Memorial Park, a 10-minute walk to downtown Raleigh and all its amenities for under $280. Check out the inside. I love a charming cottage inside the Beltline that's been totally updated. That is like the perfect storm. Some great things about this home are, it was built in 1955. It is solid, it's not going anywhere. Actually, the exterior of this house is cinder block, so it's super low maintenance. We have original hardwood floors that have been recently restained, so they look really great. We have fresh paint throughout. This family room is great because it's a really big size. We've got big windows, lets in lots of natural light. But we also have a renovated kitchen, which is great. All brand new stainless appliances. It's white, love white cabinets. It's bright in here. We have new LVP flooring. A really cool feature that I love is you step in here, and this is what I'm calling the laundry/breakfast room. So you've got hookups for full-size washer and dryer. You could either do stack or maybe even side by side. Add a counter over here, do some shelving, and then you still have a big area perfect for a table and 4 chairs. Again, great windows here, lets in light. We have a back door that steps onto our back porch area that leads you right to your private off-street parking, which is really great. So we have 2 good-sized bedrooms with closets and a fully updated bathroom. Cottage living inside the Beltline, minutes from Transfer Food Hall, and all downtown Raleigh has to offer. Under $280, this is perfect for first-time home buyers, investors, or someone even looking to acquire an Airbnb rental. This is the perfect home. For more information and to schedule your private showing, reach out to the Coley Group.